Cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin, are hot commodities right now after Tesla's Elon Musk reversed the decision to accept Bitcoin as a form of a car payment. The reason cited by Elon Musk was environmental concerns. But isn't Bitcoin a digital currency? How can Bitcoin and the environment be so extremely related? The answer is Bitcoin mining. Bitcoin mining is a process through which new Bitcoin enters into circulation. Mining is also for the maintenance of blockchain ledgers. Miners use sophisticated computers to mine Bitcoins. The process sounds simple and easy, but it is not. Bitcoin mining includes solving complex mathematical algorithms, and yet the results are not guaranteed. Coming to the main topic, Bitcoin mining requires extreme amounts of energy, and where that energy comes from makes Bitcoin's environmental impact extremely high. According to Digiconomist, about 65% of Bitcoin mining is done in China. China's major power source is coal and natural gas. The US and Russia come in second and third place, respectively. Estimates show that the total Bitcoin footprint is about 57 megatons of carbon dioxide. A single Bitcoin transaction's carbon footprint is about 570 kilos of carbon dioxide. A single Bitcoin's carbon footprint is similar to the carbon footprint of watching YouTube for 95,000 hours. Total electricity consumed by Bitcoin is about 121.51 terawatt hour. If Bitcoin were a country, then it would rank 33rd based on consumption of electricity, behind Pakistan and ahead of Netherlands. The electrical energy needed for mining a single Bitcoin is about 1300 kilowatt hour. In comparison, an average American household takes 44 days to use 1300 kilowatt hour of electricity. There is no doubt that Bitcoin mining is highly profitable, and the system is designed to incentivize the miners to mine more and more to earn more profits. This certainly shows that the miners' annual income is more than $14 billion. However, the energy intensive work costs miners more than $6 billion annually, about 42% of the total annual income. Bitcoin mining is a necessary process. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are the future currencies of the world. Bitcoin shows a glimpse of how the world will operate from a financial standpoint. But if Bitcoin is the currency of the future, it needs to be mined with the energy of the future, that is, renewables. Estimates from Cambridge show that only 39% of the energy used in Bitcoin is renewables. It should be clear that to make Bitcoin sustainable, countries and miners which mine them need to switch to better resources. At the time of writing this video, Elon Musk tweeted that the North American miners are willing to contribute to renewable resources and spread awareness to the mining community worldwide. Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, also confirmed that the North American miners are willing to form a Bitcoin mining council. The council will help increase transparency and help sustainability grow. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you around.